Thank you very much. Okay, Chair, you did me good by already tackling the important topic I'll be speaking about. My name is Dr. Lyn Atuyambe. I'm a public health specialist, and I'm an associate professor at the School of Public Health, in the Department of Community Health and Behavioral Sciences. So I connect very much to the communities. I want to acknowledge other people that participated in this. The names are listed, but the list is not exhaustive. The whole project was entitled, just to be very technical, Public Engagement to Identify Community Resilience Policy Options, Deliberative Polling in Uganda, and a case for Bududa and Makerere districts. So that's the technical sort of name this has. It will have different facets as we start writing up the different subsections of this. Okay, so. Is it sensitive? As she fixes the technology, I'm sure you want to transfer that. Everybody has been talking about accountability. So this was our research team that came to the community, and among these stakeholders, as you can see Dr. Stella Nema, Okelo is here, Nathan is here, I am there, the Deputy Chief of Party, Roy, is there, Prof. Fishkin is here, Natujuna is here, Dr. Julius and Grace are not here today, but they are here with us. So that was the team. This team is a solid team that picked your random sample. In terms of overview, I will basically raise the curtain and talk about the context, then do the objectives, talk about, expand a little bit on what Prof. Fishkin has said on the methodology, and I will tackle only one issue, the issue on resettlement, and I'll make some conclusions. So, all of you get chills in your back when we talk about 2010. Personally, I connect this very much to my life because 5 days after I was in Bududa myself, when the 2010 calamity happened. So I'm quite familiar with this, and I identify with you, dear stakeholders. And as you know, multiple areas in my country, Uganda, and your country, has got diverse climatic events, and they take place in different regions. Particularly in this region of Mount Elgon, we really have a problem of land use, landslides, and also floods.